Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'm going to be going over the store and repair mode features on our POS app. Now, in order to use the store and repair modes, you're just going to go up here to the top right on the menu and go to store and repair mode. Here you'll be able to enable store mode or repair mode to fit your needs. Store mode we recommend using promptly for your entire store. Now this setting is going to apply to all devices in the selected shop that you're already in, and it's going to make it to where almost doing any action is going to require an employee code so that you can always keep track on who's doing what in your store. Now, like I said, this is going to be applied to all devices, so setting this store mode on one device is going to make any other device logged into this store have the same store mode. So we will update these settings. It will prompt you to put in your admin key, which we will place. So do so here. We update. And there we have it. Now we are in store mode. Now to show you what that looks like, if we were going to a new sale, it would immediately prompt you to type in your employee code. This way, if I do make a sale, it will be recorded. It will also link the sale to the employee that put in their employee code. That way you can tell exactly who made the sale. So, go back. Now as for repair mode, this will be locking the app to only repairs. Now, unlike store mode, this is only going to affect the same device that is being set to repair mode. It will not affect all devices logged into the same store. So we will update settings. We'll put in our admin password. And done. We are now only set to seeing repairs and repair details. So here we can still go to our repair and see the repair details and change anything that's necessary. We recommend this setting for technicians who specifically only need to be using the repair feature. Apart from that, we recommend the store mode to being used with any store. This way you can completely keep track of everything going through your business and accurately represent those details.